One day, Play Button was little. And now he grew up to be a YouTuber. And now he's starting his own show. Wait a minute. There you go. To old and new, this is the Play Button Show. Carry on. Hello, and welcome to the Play Button Show, where we have Brandon and all of the rest of the characters / humans. So in today's episode, we had episode 2, which was pretty intense. And the thumbnail was Brandon digesting Play Button. Hey! So, in today's episode is all about random. That means there will be scribbles. And we'll be drawing different characters. But don't worry. Don't be mad about the different characters in this episode. So, we are getting random versions of ourselves. Ow! Come on. Whoa. Where are we? We're in RandomLand. The places that I don't recognize this place. What is it? Are we gonna be sloppy? Oh, I just got a message from Brandon. And he says, where are we right now? Okay, how am I supposed to see this? I mean, look! This place looks random. Oh no. Hi everyone! Run! Don't run, they're scribbled. I have to make a portal, and you will probably result in a brand new portal. Now we're talking.
Jaylee!
Come on, let's go.
Bear's here. Come on.
I put in the portal. Now go in.
What the fuck?
Whoa! Ah! Okay.
Hurry up.
I'm all circular again! And I'm not scribbly! I thought you were bad. Don't say that. What just happened? Alright, that's it for our show. Please subscribe and look out for future episodes. And the next episode will be